So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a house to rent here on kayak.com. So once you open up kayak.com, I want you to go ahead and make sure that stays is selected, and then just simply go ahead and type in your location. So for example, if you wanted to go to Malibu, let's just say Malibu, California right here, Malibu right here, and so select your dates. If all looks good, go ahead and press on search. So if you wanted to go to Malibu, for instance, but you wanted to make it authentic and you wanted to stay at a house on the ocean, whatever the case may be. To do that and refine your search, go to the top to where it says type of stay right here. So in the top right, press on the drop down. Make sure that hotels, rentals, and unique stays is unselected. Then go to where it says show more. Now scroll down to where it says rentals. And if you want to go ahead and rent a house, make sure that house is selected right here. Or even for this case, you can select on villa if you're looking for that as well. And then press on apply. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select a bunch of different options at your disposal, as well as see the price on the websites that they're kind of booking through. So you can go ahead and check out what you're looking for this way, and then book a house of your liking. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a house for rent, or I guess a house to rent here through kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.